Welcome back to the $1,000 challenge. This is trade number 8. So we traded the ROKU option trade today. Basically what we did is we sold one 170 call and we bought one 175 call right here. And you can see that we stand to profit $92 as long as the stock stays below 170. And if for some reason it goes above it, the most we could lose is $408. So let's come over to the chart. So you can see the chart right here. Basically, since July, the stock has been testing 160 and just basically bouncing off it. Here, it came actually up to like 167 area. But you can see right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. So about a bunch of times where it tried to go past 160 and failed. Earnings are this Wednesday, so that's something that I'm going to be watching. But right now, 160 is holding standing to be a lot of resistance right here. So since our option was we sold 170 call, we're hoping that it does not go above 170. Now, come Tuesday, depending on what the stock looks like, I may just get out since earnings are Wednesday. So depending on what our reward is or how much we're up or down and what the stock looks like by Tuesday evening or Tuesday before 4, I may just get out of it. So once again, this is trade number 9. Don't forget to subscribe. This is a $1,000 option challenge. What we're trying to do is we start off with $1,000, and hopefully within a year or 2 years, we'll be making $1,000 per week trading this way. All right, guys. Hopefully we become profitable. Thanks.